Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. Mm, Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm so nervous. I can't deal with this. I have to put this camera on. Mm, I'm so nervous. I can't even fix the camera. But it starts here in the kitchen. And this is where it's gonna end. Oh my God. I can't even. So. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry that I'm doing this in front of the camera, guys. I'm so sorry. But the truth has to be revealed, guys. The truth. Something happened, guys. Something happened. Please bear with me. I'm so embarrassed right now. So embarrassed to explain all of this situation, guys. I'm just getting up. Didn't sleep last night. It's too much. It's really too much. It's too much. Oh no, it's too much. It's too much, guys. But as I say, it's done right here in the kitchen. And it got to be end right here in the kitchen, guys. So, guys, something happened, guys. Something happened. I can't really deal with this. Oh God, it's too much. But guys, I love you so much, and I really have to come and explain it to you. Really, you guys bring me to where I'm at right now, and because this is gonna end, and I have to let you know. I can't keep you in suspense. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I apologize for the messing up, guys. I mess up, and I'm sorry, guys. Please try and understand. Please don't judge me. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. I came out genuine, but that's life. Things happen, guys. Sometimes you're embarrassed about situation, guys. I'm sorry, guys, but please. Please try and understand, guys. Try and understand, guys. I'm so embarrassed, guys. I'm so embarrassed of myself. I'm so embarrassed of everything I did. But guys, I'm not really who you thought I was. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have to stop cooking. So guys, all of these, anybody needs pasta pan, get in touch because I made a big buy and I'm selling out the stuff. I have to stop, guys. Something happened, guys. Something happened, guys. Please understand. I'm gonna explain. Don't wait. Whoa, I need the courage to explain it to you guys. I need the courage. It's too much. Oh my God. I know my family is embarrassed about me right now. I know my family is embarrassed about me right now, guys. But guys, guys, this life. Things happen sometimes, guys. Things happen. Things happen. Oh gosh, have mercy on me, Jesus. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, guys. I need somebody to come to me now, Jesus. Father God, send me somebody to help me go through this, Lord. I can't do it by myself. YouTubers, are you there for me? Please, my subscriber, where are you? Send a prayer for me. Send a prayer for me. Please send a prayer for me. I can't deal with this no more. I can't. Help me, somebody. Help me, please. I need you guys to help me. Please don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Even though I come out, I'm not who I am, but please don't judge me. I love cooking. I've been cooking since I'm young, and I come to YouTube to cook and make nice dishes for you guys. But I have to stop cooking now, and I don't know. I use cooking as my therapy. When I'm stressed, when I'm depressed, it's cooking. When I'm everything I do, whenever I cook, I zoom in, and I'm so happy. I know all of this is gone, left me. What am I gonna do? What am I? Tell me, leave me a comment and tell me what me can do when me have to stop. Cause something terrible happened and me have to stop cook. Lord, please people, please try and understand. You know, love me a cook. You know how happy that me get YouTube to do cooking and that me can show people my good food them. And now me have to stop cook. My mother is gonna be ashamed of me because she teach me to cook and she want me happy that me using the skill that she give me. And guys, know me have to leave it. Lord have mercy. I don't know me I'm gonna walk out tomorrow, Lord. I don't know me I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know how me I'm gonna make the next step. Oh God, me I'm gonna go back in a me depression. Me I'm gonna go back in a me stress where me I run from. Lord, do not help me out, please. I don't know what me I'm gonna do because me use cooking as me therapy. Lord, when me sad, when me kind of stressed for the cooking, I know me have to get up. People, try to understand. But by the way, if you don't know anybody when needs some pots and pan, me have boxes and plate and stuff, and me spend a lot of money buy. If you do me presentation, cause you me plan to carry it go big, you know. If you know where big bean, me plan to carry it go big. I know this happened. Me can't a lot of money me spend for stuff to make me business go fly out of the out. Me can't even remember when me I go say no, me head hurt me. Me head hurt me. Oh Lord, people, not try and understand. No, please, don't judge me. Not judge me, YouTubers. Not judge me, subscribers. Your girl never mean it. It just happened. And me can't take it no more. Leave me alone. Me have to explain to the people there.
You need to stop.
Please,
Mommy, you need to stop. You're embarrassing us. You need to stop.
Me sorry, never mean to embarrass you, but me need to tell the people them and them carry me here, you know. If I never them, me couldn't preach when me there on YouTube. So me now have to explain to them just I go see me thing now work and I what that happened to me. Me who them that to explain. Guys, they don't want me to talk no more because them embarrassed, they young, you know, they don't understand. But it's my truth. Me have to tell my truth. Me can't enough for them truth and my truth, and me have to explain my truth, guys. Me really have to explain my truth.
Siri, please read my last note.
I found these items, there were more, but this is as much as I can show. Your note from today called I'm sorry YouTube, but this was a prank. Do you want to hear the next one?
No, that will be it. Mommy!
Guys, I prank you! You really believe me never give up my kitchen? Look at me good. No, me never will give up my kitchen. I would never leave you guys. Guys, I would never leave you guys. Me need to go wash my face and come back. I would never leave you. I love you too much and I love cooking too much. Guys, please, I love you. Continue to share, continue to subscribe, continue and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this, because this girl Jul ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna be here forever and ever until I can't be here no more. Love you guys. Mwah! Bye. See you in my next video.